department in Bombay for the purpose of his treatment. The doctor had not given hopes on the treatment for the recovery, but they advised him to take him home and give him the things he liked, indulge him. He was just given supportive treatment at home. Smita, while reading the newspaper, excitedly told her mother about a concert where Pandit Ravi Shankar was to perform at Shanmukananda Auditorium. Had she told that, her mother told her to be quiet as her brother was sleeping, who was actually awake, and he said Pandit Ravi Shankar's name and tried to rise up from the bed but could not. He said he always wanted to hear him and see him. He always wantedly told that he wanted to hear him and see him as it was his last lifetime chance. Smita felt very bad for telling the news about the concert. Her mother told her to go to the concert with her father. She went to her aunt and started to choke up in front of her. She told her to take a stroll in the park. She went to the park where people who were walking, running, playing balls, doing yogic exercises, feeding the ducks and eating roasted grams and peanuts. Amidst of all, she felt alone and was lost in her own thoughts, but then a sudden thought came to her mind, thinking too as to why not to try it as there was no harm.